a vital link on the battlefield. Introducing the wireless set numbered 19. The year is 1940. The Battle of Britain rages in the skies above, and the roar of tank tracks echoes across the deserts of North Africa. Communication is paramount in the chaos of war, and for the British Army, a new lifeline emerges, the wireless set numbered 19. This robust radio transceiver, affectionately nicknamed the wireless numbered 19 set, rapidly becomes a cornerstone of armoured warfare. It replaces the older wireless set number 11, offering significant improvements in reliability and range. The number 19's arrival marks a turning point, enabling clearer and more dependable communication between tanks and command units, the wireless set. Number 19 is initially designed for use in tanks and other armoured vehicles. Its robust construction is capable of withstanding the rigours of combat. The set quickly gains a reputation for its dependability in the harshest conditions. Its ease of operation further contributes to its popularity among British tank crews. The need for clear communication within armoured formations is critical, and the number 19 rises to the challenge. Enhancing reliability and range, the Mk2 and Mk3 variants. As the war progresses, the need for even better communication capabilities becomes apparent. The wireless set. Number 19 undergoes several iterations, each improving upon its predecessor. The Mark II version arrives in 1942, incorporating valuable lessons learned from the battlefields. This updated model offers enhanced reliability and an extended communication range. These improvements prove vital in the vast deserts of North Africa, where communication over long distances is essential. The Mk3 variant, introduced in 1943, builds upon the successes of the Mk2. It features further refinements to its circuitry, enhancing its performance and resistance to interference. The Mk3 also incorporates a number of user-friendly improvements, simplifying operation for tank crews under stress. These enhancements solidify the Num-19's reputation as a reliable and effective communication tool. The constant evolution of the number 19 demonstrates the British military's commitment to providing its troops with the best possible equipment. Voices through the static, A, B and IC communication channels. The wireless set number 19 utilizes a system of 3 primary communication channels, A, B and IC. Each channel serves a distinct purpose, ensuring clear and organized communication within armored units. Channel A is dedicated to communication within a troop of tanks, typically consisting of 3 to 4 vehicles. This channel allows for close coordination and tactical maneuvers within a small unit. Channel B facilitates communication between the troop leader and the squadron commander. This channel enables the relaying of orders and information between different levels of command. Channel IC, standing for intercom, allows for communication between crew members within a single tank. This internal communication is crucial for coordinating the actions of the tank commander, gunner, loader and driver. A Canadian touch modifications for improved performance. The wireless set. Number 19's impact extends beyond the battlefields of Europe. In 1942, Canada, a key contributor to the Allied war effort, begins producing the number 19 under license. Canadian industry rises to the challenge, manufacturing these vital communication sets for their own troops and those of other Allied nations. Canadian-made number 19 sets quickly gain a reputation for their high quality and reliability. Canadian engineers introduced several modifications to the number 19's design. These modifications include enhancements to the set's suppressor system, further reducing interference. The Canadian-made sets also feature improved shielding to protect against electrical disturbances. These adaptations prove particularly beneficial in the challenging electromagnetic environments often encountered in armoured warfare. Armoured communication, the number 19 in British tanks. The wireless set. Number 19 becomes an integral part of British armoured units, playing a crucial role in their tactical operations. Its presence in tanks like the Churchill, Cromwell and Sherman enhances their combat effectiveness. Tank commanders rely heavily on the number 19 to maintain situational awareness, coordinate attacks and respond to enemy movements. The number 19 allows tank crews to operate as a cohesive unit, sharing information and adjusting their tactics in real time. The set's ability to function effectively amidst the noise and chaos of battle is a testament to its robust design. The number 19's clear audio and reliable range are appreciated by tank crews who depend on it for their survival. Its presence in British tanks contributes significantly to their successes on the battlefields of World War II. The number 19 becomes a symbol of the crucial role communication plays in armoured warfare. The post-war era, Lark Spur and beyond. Following World War II, the wireless set number 19, while a reliable workhorse, begins to show its age. Technological advancements lead to the development of more advanced radio systems. The British Army adopts the Lark Spur system as a replacement for the number 19 in the early 1950s. Lark Spur offers greater range, improved clarity, and a wider range of frequencies. Despite the introduction of newer systems, the number 19 story doesn't end there. Its robust design and continued reliability lead to its continued use in various roles. It finds a place in reserve units, training exercises, and even in some civilian applications. The number 19's longevity is a testament to its initial design and the quality of its construction. It serves as a reminder that even as technology advances, the fundamentals of reliable communication remain crucial. Global reach continued service in various armies. The impact of the wireless set, number 19, extends far beyond the British Army. Its reputation for reliability and effectiveness leads to its adoption by several other countries. Australia, New Zealand, and India are among the nations that incorporate the number 19 into their military forces. The set's adaptability to different environments and its ease of maintenance make it a popular choice for armies around the world. The number 19 continues to see service in various parts of the world well into the latter half of the 20th century. Its presence in these diverse military forces highlights its enduring legacy as a reliable communication tool. The number 19's global reach is a testament to its impact on the battlefield and its contribution to military communication. It stands as a reminder of the importance of international collaboration in times of conflict. A second life, the number 19, in the hands of enthusiasts. As the wireless set number 19's military service draws to a close, it finds a new lease on life in the hands of amateur radio enthusiasts. Its robust construction and relative simplicity make it an appealing choice for hobbyists interested in vintage radio equipment. Collectors and enthusiasts meticulously restore and operate number 19 sets, keeping the spirit of this wartime communication marvel alive. These individuals often gather at special events and rallies, using their restored number 19 sets to communicate with each other across great distances. The number 19's continued use in the amateur radio community speaks to its enduring appeal and its ability to connect people through the magic of radio waves. It serves as a tangible link to history, allowing enthusiasts to experience firsthand the technology that played such a vital role in World War II. A lasting legacy. The impact and significance of the number 19 set, the wireless set. Number 19's story is one of innovation, reliability, and enduring legacy. From its inception during the darkest days of World War II to its continued use by amateur radio operators today, the number 19 has left an undeniable mark on the history of communication. Its robust design, ease of operation, and adaptability to diverse environments have cemented its place as a true icon of military technology. The number 19's impact extends far beyond the battlefield, influencing subsequent generations of radio equipment and inspiring countless individuals with its story of resilience and ingenuity. Its legacy serves as a testament to the power of human innovation in times of adversity and the enduring importance of clear communication in a world often shrouded in noise and uncertainty. The wireless set number 19 stands as a symbol of the vital role technology plays in shaping the course of history and connecting people across time and distance.